Hello everybody, I'm here on Hardie way. I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit in this apartment complex. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom unit with a balcony. Before I get in and show you the unit, I would like to show you what the outside looks like. It's a very quiet, nice area. This is Hardie. It goes all the way up, and the building is located at the intersection of Hardie and Montgomery Avenue. As you could see, it is a stone building, well kept, clean, very secured, and the apartment I'm about to show you is located in this building. Airdrie, the name of the building, and it is 2 Hardie is the address. This is what it looks like, the outside. Beautiful, very quiet, secured building. To get into the unit, you have to go through 2 doors. The first one, you don't need a key. Here is the vestibule. On the right, you have the fire station. On my left hand side, you have the mailbox and the intercom to buzz in your guest. I put this thing, I left this door open for this video. Usually you need to have a key to get into the building, to open the second door to the building. The unit I'm about to show you is located on the first floor. Unit A2. It is a 3-story building. One I'm about to show you is on the first floor, so I open and get into the unit. As you walk in, the first thing you notice is this beautiful hardwood floor and very high ceiling. This is the living room. Very nice size living room with non-working fireplace. Beautiful. That corner in the living room, you have a closet space. Nice size closet space. Okay, from the living room, you have this beautiful outside space, balcony, which will be enjoyed by the tenants of this unit. You go through the door. You have a screen door here. Then this is the outside to enjoy the fresh air. This nice small space here, especially in the summer. You have nice fresh air and perfect space. Okay, and I get in. The next place I would like to show you is the dining room. I'm sorry, you see this, the unit just got a brand new laundry machine. It will be installed in the kitchen. I will show you the kitchen later on. Now I'm inside the dining room. It's a big size dining room. It has a ceiling fan and light, huge 3 windows. As you could see from the video, the unit gets a lot of natural light, very bright. This is the view from this side. Over there on my left is the kitchen. You have a door. Neat feature of the door is you could just close this door and see inside what is going on. You can also leave it open if you want. On my right, from the living room, you have the bedrooms and the bathroom. First bedroom will be the first door you see here. Then you have a bathroom, and then you have a bedroom. But first I would like to show you the kitchen. The kitchen also has this beautiful wood floor. And on my right, you have pantry, nice pantry. Okay, you also have tons of storage space, cabinet space, top, bottom, out of cabinet space. The space you see next to this cabinet is a place for a laundry machine. We already have brand new laundry machine. It will be installed here soon. Here on my right, you have a refrigerator and a gas oven and cooktop, additional storage space, range hood, very nice. And then in the kitchen you have this window, nice window, and also door. This door will take you to the fire stairs. Takes you downstairs, and here is one of the trash bins. There are also other over there for your trashes. You could just take your trash out and go down these stairs, the fire stairs, and put your trash in that bin, and I will take it from there. This is what the kitchen looks like. Next unit I would like to show you is the master bedroom, which is going back to the dining room from the kitchen. Then the one you see here on the right is the master bedroom. It's a big size bedroom with a ceiling fan, nice ceiling fan and ceiling light. Huge 2 windows, big. It's a very big size bedroom. It's a huge bedroom. Over there at the right corner, you have a closet space. Nice size closet. We just use the left door to come into the bedroom from the dining room. The one you see in front of me is the door that leads you to the bathroom from your living room. From your bedroom. It has a nice floor. The bathroom, it is big in space. You have this window for fresh air. You have this window is a high ceiling as always. You have a toilet, a bathtub and a shower combo. You also have sink, medicine cabinet, lights. You have a ceiling light. You also have lights on the top of the vanity. And from this bathroom, you could go out to the hallway. On your left, you have a dining room. On your right, you have the other bedroom, which is facing the back of the building. It is big in size. It has 2 windows for a natural light. You have a closet space at that corner. I'll show you how big it is. This is a closet space. It's high. Okay. This is what this bedroom looks like. This one is facing the back of, this window is facing the back of the building. The other one, the other bedroom is facing the Hardie. And just right across the street, across the hallway from the bathroom, on my right hand side, when I walk out of this, the smaller bedroom, there is big, huge closet space. It's a walk-in closet, it's very deep. This is what unit A2 look like. I showed you everything in unit A2. The bedroom, the master bedroom, which is facing, the window is facing the Hardie street. Lot of light coming in, natural light. The dining room also, it has 2 huge windows. 3 huge windows. I will be looking out to the Hardie. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.